Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be tackling my license plate lights on my truck. I'm going to be putting on these Diode Dynamic ones instead. You can use the code in the description or the link in the description below to get free shipping on Diode Dynamics, and it helps out my channel to do it. But I bought some kind of shady Amazon ones, and it was actually like my first big video on my channel. I'll put it right here. And they worked for 3 years, and they were very cheap. So I kind of got what I wanted out of them. But Diode Dynamics sells them now, so I might as well just get it out of the way, put some good ones, quality ones on there, and get it over with. If you haven't seen the other video, I'll show you how to do it right now. So you can totally go from behind this housing and twist the light and pull it out and not have to pop this out. For the sake of the video, I'm going to pop it out. That way it's all obvious to you guys, and I don't have to crawl up underneath the truck to do anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a pry bar. And then you just pry up the corners like everything. It's going to come out towards us like this. And then, see if I can do this one-handed. You just twist it. Yep, like that. Booyah. So, here's the Amazon ones. And to get them out, you just pull straight out. Now, if you guys didn't see it, the original ones from the factory really sucked. They got super duper hot. And they actually burn up your housing on these. As you can see, it's all like kind of crispy still. That's not from these LEDs. The LEDs do not get hot enough to do that. The original bolts did this. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna replace it with these ones and show you guys what it looks like. Kind of interesting just to give a side-by-side comparison. The cheapy ones have LEDs that surround the outside. The Diode Dynamics just has 3, I don't know, quality LEDs in the middle. But again, I'll throw up a video right now as to what my lights were doing. As you can see, they were flickering, and it makes a $65,000, $70,000 truck look super ghetto when your lights are flickering like that. So I wanted to go ahead and make sure I got that taken care of. And Diode's a sponsor here at the channel, and I love their products, and I know I can't go wrong with them. And then, of course, just do everything I did earlier in reverse to get the light back in the housing. And then this bad boy just clicks right in, boom, like that. Make sure if you do use a pry bar, it's not very aggressive. That way you don't damage any of this plastic here on the side, and make sure it's all looking nice and clean. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Alrighty, the lights are installed and working and not flashing like how they were before. They look just as bright to me. I don't really know if I'd say that they're brighter, but there's not that big of a price difference. And I can guarantee you guys these will be better quality. Also, I have my hitch right there. Also, Diode Dynamics. I'll leave that in the description too if anybody's interested, or at least the video to that if you're interested. Alrighty, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. If you got anything out of it, make sure you leave a like down below, a comment if you bought the other lights. If you want to see more stuff on my channel, any questions on the channel whatsoever, I'm going to make sure I get back on my comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really does mean a lot to me, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.